guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are in the part of this beautiful world. Thank you for joining my channel again. God bless you. Okay, so I have a very short tutorial I just want to do. It's just a kind of funky kind of groove that you can use to do your simple sound check in your church. So it's going to be just going to do it on F sharp. So let's just quickly run through the tonic solfa. F sharp, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. F sharp, G sharp, B flat, B, C sharp, E flat, F, and F sharp. So it goes like this, very simple. One more time. So the movements for my arrangement for the chord goes like this: from your 7 to your 1. So if you count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 to your 1, then so this is just like your sharp 4. This is your 4. Your 4 is supposed to be B, so your sharp 4 will be C. So you're from your sharp 4 to your 5. Your 5 is supposed to be C sharp. Then from your 3 to your 4, then back to your 1. Sorry, back to your 7 to your 1 again. So sharp 4, 3 to 4, 1 and 7 to 1 again. So for my 7, I have F, I have C sharp, I have F, G sharp, and C sharp. This is just your normal triad. So it has been inverted already backward. So you have F, G sharp, and C sharp. For sharp 4, you have C, you have G sharp, you have C, E flat, and F sharp to your 5. But don't forget, I'm just only holding 2 notes on my left hand, which is your C sharp and your G sharp. Then the full triad here: C sharp, F, and G sharp. Then your 3 to your 4. Look at the chord. I have B flat, I have F sharp, B flat, F sharp over G sharp, C sharp. I did a slur to E flat, then F sharp. You see now? So for my 4, I have B, I have F sharp, I have B flat, the same C sharp again. Then you're going to do another slur from your C sharp to your E flat, then F. So it goes 7 to 1, sharp 4 to 5, your 3, then you're gonna do a slur that will take you from your 3 to your 4, then your 7 back to 1 again. Very simple. 1 again. Okay? Alright, thank you. So if you find this video so very amazing, let me like it, share it, and comment. God bless you. Thank you. Bye bye.